Well, as you know, in high school, there are all sorts of clubs that you can get involved with. And at Pittsburgh High School, there is the Culinary Club. And I'm joined this morning by the president of the Culinary Club, Maddie Ellis. Maddie, you're a junior, and I'm so happy to have you here because I know you guys are doing the Block the Food or Block the Door. It's the Block the Door food drive. So, can you explain what the drive is all about?
So the drive, when it comes to the holiday season, we think about getting with friends and family and exchanging gifts and just having a great time. But unfortunately, some families are struggling to get the food they need to just live day by day. So that is why Pittsburgh High School's Culinary Dragons and Student Council are partnering together in order to collect these canned goods that we hope people donate so we can give it to the PHS Needs Pantry and donate the rest to Creating Legacies Food Bank, so people are able to get the food they need to have a good Christmas or holiday season.
How did you get involved with Culinary Club?
I actually took the class my first semester sophomore year, and I fell in love with the concept and the group of people and the environment, and I've just continued to go throughout in my Culinary Club journey.
It seems like the kind of club that once you get involved, I mean, Chef Anthony Fisher, who runs it, I mean, he knows what he's doing, but what kind of skills have you picked up from it that you've applied to like your home life?
One, besides just cooking skills that we learn on a daily, we actually learn good teamwork because we work together to prepare these meals and give back to the community. So like with our food drive, we've all come together as a club and we've collaborated with other members in our school and administration, and we hopefully pull this off and it turns out great.
It's really cool. So what kind of dishes are you going to be cooking up for the holiday season?
For the holiday season, we're not quite sure what we're making exactly yet, but we are planning on making candied nuts like we do in the past, to help give to friends and family that have just been so kind to us.
That's awesome. The drive sounds wonderful. So if people want to get involved, if they want to donate, what do they need to do? Where do they need to go?
Saturday, December 5th at 10 a.m., we're going to be hosting a drop-off event so people can come drop off the canned goods that they want to donate, and they can designate it to a certain club to help them win the competition.
Awesome. Okay, so if people want to donate, if they want to help out, they can drop off any canned goods in front of the high school. Maddie, we really appreciate you joining us to share this info. Congratulations on being the president of Culinary Club. You guys are doing awesome stuff.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us. Well, we'll have all that information on our morning show page at KOAMNewsNow.com. You can go to our morning show page, and we'll be right back on the KOAM Morning News right after this.